In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a verified US bank account anywhere in the world. Even if you're not living in the United States of America, you can actually create a verified, legit personal US bank account. Yes, and this is for digital creators, influencers, entrepreneurs, people who do legit online jobs, remote jobs like affiliate marketing, advertising, video editing, graphic designs, songwriting, and even musicians who collaborate with other artists around the world would actually need a US bank account to receive payment for their services. And this same US bank account, you can be able to withdraw your money straight to your local bank account as well as your mobile money wallet. Yes, and this is 100% easy to create. It is free. There is no maintenance fee. There is no charges, upfront deposit. It is 100% easy to create. So now I'm going to take you guys through the step-by-step process in order to create your own personal US bank account and verify it immediately. All right, guys, so this is Geegpay, and I've been using this service for a very long time now, and I've decided to share with you guys this same service that you can actually use to create a legit US bank account. So when you log into their official website, this is how the interface is going to look like. Yeah, so if you already have an account, you can just go ahead and log in with your email address and password. But if you do not have an account, then I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to create a free account. And once you create a free account, you are going to get a US bank account immediately. So I'm going to start by clicking on create account. So once you click on create account, it is going to redirect you to this page here, and it says, how would you like to use the Geegpay? Okay, start your effortless journey into borderless payments. So let's get you started. And on the right side of the interface, it is the testimonials from people who has been using the same services, like freelancers, company owners, website designers, and so on and so forth. So when you scroll down a bit, they are going to ask you, are you a freelancer or you want to create the account for a company? So I prefer choosing a freelancer, which is the same as a content creator, digital creator, or an entrepreneur. Okay, so as a freelancer, you will get a foreign bank account in USD, GBP, and Euro. And also you will get a USD visual card, and you can also convert to your local currency. That's what I told you before, that you can actually withdraw your money to your local bank account and even to your mobile money wallet. Okay, and you can also create and automate invoice and also request payment from employers or people that you've already offered services. You can also request payment from them with your own dashboard. So once you have understood this, then the next thing is to scroll down here. Once you have selected this, then you need to select your country of residence. If you are in Ghana, you make sure to choose Ghana. If you are in Nigeria, you choose Nigeria. If you are in South Africa, Rwanda, Egypt, Tanzania, Kenya, just make sure that you select the right country of residence. So I'm going to select Ghana, and then I will scroll down and click on continue. Now it is going to redirect you to the second page where you have to enter your email address. Then you just go ahead and type in your email address. Make sure that everything is correct. Now for the referral code here, if maybe you got invite from somebody, you can just put in the referral code here. But if you didn't get invite from somebody, you can just click continue. And now a token will be sent to your email address. So now you have to go straight to your inbox to copy the token so that they can be able to verify your account. In case if you do not find it in your inbox, you can go to the spam, and then you should be able to see it there. Then you click on it, scroll down, and copy the token code. Then we will head back to the site and paste it right here. And now the email address has been verified successfully. The next thing is for you to create a unique password. So make sure that you choose a very unique password. Then once you have entered a unique password that you can remember, you have to make sure that the password is strong. The password has to be minimum 10 characters, at least one uppercase, one lowercase character, and at least one number and symbol. Then you click on continue. Then you just have to go through the important account opening information. This is going to show you the documents that you need to complete your account setup. We will need few documents from you. So proof of address, a recent utility bill, or a bank statement within the last 3 months that matches your residential address, and also a valid government approved ID. You can use your international passport, you can use your national ID, you can use your national identity number depending on the country where you are registering the account from. Then you click on continue. And now we are here on the final step. Here is where you need to enter your personal names. Because I have already created an account on this site, so if I decide to use my same name that I've used to create an account before, they will eventually block my account. So I'm going to use a random name to create this account just to show you guys the step-by-step process. But make sure that the name that you are going to use here should match exactly with the name on your passport or your documents. So let me just use a random name. Now scroll down, and then they are going to ask you to enter your phone number for verification. So just go ahead and type in your phone number. So right now they have already sent me a code to my phone number, and I'll go ahead and verify, copy the code and verify it. If you check your inbox and the code has not arrived yet, you can also ask to receive code by WhatsApp. Okay, so let me try and use WhatsApp. Maybe WhatsApp will be faster. So the code has been sent and I have received it on WhatsApp. So let me just quickly type in the code. And now the account is successfully created. Okay, and now you can see, welcome to Geegpay. How did you hear about us? So for example, if maybe you heard from them from YouTube for the very first time, you can just click on YouTube here and then continue. Now, after creating the account, this is how the interface is going to look like. This is how the interface is going to look like. And this is your main dashboard. You can see welcome Charles. Now, please complete your verification to create the US account. I'm going to log into my own personal account and I will show you all the things that you need to know about this service. Because so after verifying your address and your identity, this is how the interface is going to look like. And this is going to be your USD account, this is your GBP account, and this is your Euro account. Yeah, so with this account, when you click on all accounts, you can be able to see the list of all the accounts that you have, and you can be able to send money, you can be able to add funds to any of your accounts, you can be able to convert the funds from US to Euro, from Euro to GBP, and you can be able to receive payment from any country that you've offered services. And with this service as well, you can be able to create credit cards that you can be able to use to make payments online. This is the credit card platform. Once you click on it, you'll be able to create a credit card for free. And also, let me scroll down here so that we can check out other features. So when you click on your wallets, you'll be able to see your account details so that you can copy the account details and send to your employer to send you payment for your services. And this is exactly how to create a verified US bank account anywhere, anytime, anywhere in the world, anytime. And this is 100% legit, 100% free. You don't have to pay for maintenance fee, you don't have to pay any upfront deposit. It is 100% free and legit. Yeah, so if you have any question concerning these services or website, or you would like me to make video about this site, let me know in the comment section. And also I will make another video on how to connect your US bank account to your PayPal account so that you can be able to use it to withdraw money from your PayPal. So if this information has been useful to you guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop a comment so that we can vibe in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed.